is Ted Baker. I'm a solar practitioner in Burlington County. My practice is focused mainly upon cases involving DCPP. So that is something I started on my own a few years back. I've been in practice for about 20 years or so now. DCPP is the Child Protective Agency in New Jersey. They used to be known as DYFS, and generally speaking, that's the organization that will come in and investigate child abuse, child neglect, and other issues surrounding that. And over the course of my career, I actually represented the agency in court through the Attorney General's office, and since I have either defended those that are being accused of those things or represented families that are in some way entangled in a situation that involves that agency. I didn't necessarily go looking for VOA, but VOA came looking for me. One day, I just answered the phone and Patty was on the other end. She introduced herself and said that a friend of mine had been presented the facts of some particular case, and that for some reason I was recommended to be the one to handle it. So with that, I said yes, and there it was involved. It was as simple as that. I said yes because essentially the notion of service is part of my DNA. I think taking on a case, whether it again be landlord-tenant, a family issue, municipal court issue, this is not a monumental legal issue in the grand scheme of what we may deal with over the course of our day, our week, year, career. But for the individual involved, it's the most important thing going on in their lives at this time. I would say that as an attorney, we are in a unique position to effect justice in a situation involving individuals. A lot of these things are not highly complex legal issues. A lot of them are municipal court issues or landlord-tenant issues or other things that are generally speaking sort of basic type things. So if you pick up the phone and Patty's on the other end of it ready to give you a case that is not necessarily in your wheelhouse, not a part of your normal practice, I would recommend that you accept the case anyway.